Hi, welcome to Entrepreneur Class channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the LearnWorlds review. LearnWorlds is an online course platform that gives you everything you need to build a profitable and a successful online courses. The number one A1 Power LMS built for course creators, from digital product to marketing and selling tools. You get everything you need to build a profitable businesses all in one scalable platform. So click link in the description of this video to get access to this page where you can get started for free. So what are the type of course platform would you like to create? So LearnWorlds will give you everything you need to create or build a successful online courses. Whether you are a coaching creators or customer training, or you are enterprises LMS or finance, or you are in health industry. So with a LearnWorlds, you can craft learning experience your customer will love. So they provide everything to design your course and selling it to your customer without any issue. So with this platform now, they provide it is an all-in-one marketing tools to create, to sell and promote your product. So with LearnWorlds, you can create engaging and effective training. So LearnWorlds gives you all the requirements, all the features to create engaging and effective training. Engage learner with interactive videos, ebooks, one-on-one and group sessions, assessments, certification, scores, surveys, and much more. Also with LearnWorlds, you can build a most versatile course experience. You can create the most versatile course experience. With this software, you build a beautiful theme for your course player and flexible for free, paid, private, deep feed, or curated course pathways. And also, so you can, with LearnWorlds, you can imagine interactive video learning. Reimagine interactive video learning. Effortlessly convert your video into exceptional experience with automatically extracted transcript, quizzes, and table of content. Then get social media talking. So, LearnWorlds is the number one software that give you access to nurture your community and create a lasting relationship with a social force training school. So they have all the features you need as a creator, as a coaching, or as a content creator, or you are an educator, to build a successful online course or training for your customers. So don't forget to click the link in the video description to get access to this page where you can start the LearnWorlds for free. In addition to that, they provide a template to sell your online course. You can build high converting versatile website for free for your course with 100% of beautiful crafted templates. So they have hundreds of pre-designed templates that you can easily click and edit and build a high converting sales page for your course. So you don't need to use other third party to sell your online course or to build a sales page. So you have everything in one platform. So to start with a LearnWorlds, you can get started with free account. So click it in the description of this video and create your free account. So with this feature, you can create pages quickly. You can have a magic beauty and so on. Build a profitable marketing funnel to increase your return of investment. With this platform, you can quickly sell courses in bundle and membership. So upsell and cross-sell with promotions, a true white label course platform. Then connect marketing stack seamlessly. You can see integrate with top marketing tools of the trades used by the best course seller. So these are some of the few features of this LearnWorlds. If you want to learn more about this platform, click the link in the video description to get access to this page where you can start for free. So I hope that this video has helped you to understand how the LearnWorlds can help you to build a profitable and successful online course. So if you want to learn more about, if you want more content like this, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if this has helped you. So wish you the best of luck in your LearnWorlds journey. Thank you for watching.